We hear all kinds of crazy predictions for the price of silver, for the price of gold, but you may have heard recently a widely respected and followed financial guru made a prediction that silver could go as high as $500 in 2023. Hey, that's good news for us, right? I think we need to bring him down to Ron's basement. We got you, me, the bear, and him. We'll have a great, great big party when that $500 target is reached. But who is this person? And most importantly, what's his background? Should we believe him? That's what we're going to look into in this video. Let's get started right now. We've been through a lot as investors in precious metals and the mining stocks. Heck, it feels like 2023 is a long way away, but it's really not. And hey, we could see $500 silver, but the way things have gone, it feels like we could even see $5 silver. No matter what happens, I'll be here for you through it all, putting out a video every single day. You got like a friend for life. If you enjoy my content, you can subscribe right here. Please give the video a thumbs up. Don't forget, leave your thoughts, leave your comments in the discussion section below. We really want to hear from you. Now, who is this guru, this widely followed and respected financial author and speaker that said we could reach $500 silver in 2023? No other than Robert Kiyosaki. But who is Robert Kiyosaki? He is a well-known public figure, author, investor, and outspoken critic of the United States government and its mismanagement of its finances over the last decades. He wrote a blockbuster book called Rich Dad, Poor Dad several decades ago. It has been read by millions, provides a financial blueprint for people who want to accumulate wealth in the United States of America. As an investor, he's a self-made multi-millionaire, and he is very, very outspoken against the policies of the United States government and the Federal Reserve when it comes to the mismanagement of our money. Yes, us, United States citizens. So when he talks, people listen. And when I examine him, I think he's a legit good guy with good intentions. Now, some people have a different opinion of him, but in my opinion, he's not a shyster. He's a legit guy who we should pay attention to. He put out a series of tweets over the last few weeks that we need to look at, because in those tweets, he mentioned that he believes silver could go as high as, this will be music to your ears, $500 per ounce in 2023. And in these tweets, he mentioned this: the Fed raising interest rates is making the dollar go up and the price of gold and silver go down. He said it's time to buy. He also mentioned that the United States Federal Reserve and Jerome Powell would soon need to pivot, just like the Bank of England had to do last week. That the US dollar would follow the British pound sterling. And in early 2023, after the Fed pivots, the dollar will crash. And let's think about this for a second. The dollar is at 20-year highs. So the idea of the dollar crashing or decreasing significantly is definitely within the realm of possibilities. We don't have to stretch to see that happening. And we know when that happens, the price of silver and gold will skyrocket. The most interesting of his tweets were when he contacted his silver and gold dealer, the guy that he usually buys his silver and gold from, and his dealer told him he had nothing available and probably couldn't get anything available for Robert to buy. At that point, Robert said, the end is here. The end of fake money is here. Silver to between $100 and $500 per ounce. He ended the tweet with, protect yourself. And this all jives with what we're hearing from around the world. Sovereign mints running out of inventory, coin shops running out of inventory, wholesalers running out of inventory of silver and gold. It's not a stretch to see that with this decreased supply and increased demand, silver and gold can skyrocket, especially with the tailwind of a potential weaker dollar. And doesn't it just feel like the rest of the world is kind of fed up with the West and the United States mismanagement of the world's financial system? Whether we look at OPEC collectively, the BRICS companies collectively, or Russia and China individually, they're all kind of throwing their arms up and saying we're tired of the Western countries thinking they can just print money ad nauseum to solve every little problem that comes up and then use all this make-believe digital printed money to buy our real assets. We know those Eastern countries are coming together and beginning to demand that they are paid a fair price for the real assets that they have, that they mine, that they develop. Things like silver, things like gold. It's going to get interesting. Yes, I think Robert Kiyosaki's prediction of $500 silver is rather outrageous. But is it out of the picture altogether? No. Hey, we'd be happy with $50 silver next year, but it could even go much, much higher. It'll be exciting. It'll be fun. I will be here with you through it all. We'll get through this together. If you want to watch another video, you can do that right here. Most important, until next time, you be well.